already given a statement, and I was just informed that BJP also trying to contest maximum seat. That is what I was informed and I was told. But it was, of course, there will be bargaining. This is the main this thing of the allied government. Though we are partner in the government, we also asking maximum seat. They may also ask maximum seat. So ultimate solution will be done by the central. Therefore, we emphasize, we give more interest to the Delhi, the high command, high level leadership of BJP. Therefore, local leader, whatever they say, we never mind. They may say, they may not this thing, but our main target is once again we will go to Delhi. We'll meet the high level ministers or leaders of BJP. We'll discuss with them and we'll sort out the problem. And NRC, of course, again, last time also I mentioned, of course, morally we support, though we are partner of it is the national issue. When Amit Shah stated about the NRC, he's also support this NRC. So why not we, when IPFT always supporting the NRC, let NRC have implemented in all India, not in Tripura. All of the India should be implemented in NRC. It is become national issues. So since our BJP, the Home Minister himself has stated that NRC will be implemented all over the state, all over the India. So we welcome these issues.
Thank you, sir.
Today we called a press meet at the residence of N.C. Devarma, Honorable Minister. Yesterday, 17th September, we have a Central Executive Committee meeting held at the Bhagat Singh Hostel. There are a lot of agendas we have discussed, and most important agenda we have discussed regarding the forthcoming ADC election, District Council election. Regarding this issue, we have thoroughly discussed, and we decided that IPFT party will contest maximum seat in the forthcoming election 2020. That is what we have decided. Our party will contest maximum seat in District Council. And also we have reminded that before election, state election, Vidhan Sabha election, we have a lot of series of dialogue took place in Tripura as well as Guwahati, the Delhi. In that discussion, we have discussed thoroughly about the ADC also. Then the assembly election, after election, there will be ADC election. So regarding ADC election, we have discussed that in ADC, since there is a maximum majority, 85%, 90% is indigenous people voters, ST voters is majority. Therefore, in that area, IPFT should be given maximum seat, and also they have committed, they have verbally given assurance. Especially I want to mention our Honorable NEDA conveners, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma and also Sunil Dedor, they are present in the meeting, and also Rajnath Singh, the then Home Minister, also present in the discussion. We appeal them that ADC area, ADC election, District Council election should be given free hand to IPFT party. Therefore, we are expecting and we trust them, we believe them, since there is no any written agreement, but verbally they have stated that this kind of thing. Therefore, when last week we met Naddaji, Honorable President, BJP Working President, we also highlight this issue, stating that we have given so many points to him. Even we have submitted a copy of memorandum highlighting is since there is a committee already constituted, high-level modality committee to look into the matter of socio-economic and political problem of Tripura. This committee should have given report within 3 months. 2 to 3 months they have should give a report. But already 1 year have gone. Still we are waiting for the report, final report of SLMC. That we have highlighted him to give report immediately. And also we have stated that forthcoming election there will be 2020, within the 6-7 months the election will going to held. In that also we have we have informed him that IPFT will going to contest maximum seat. And last issue we have discussed about the portfolio. Since in Tripura cabinet we have a 12th cabinet, but now there are only 8 existing cabinet minister. Now remain four cabinet bodies is remaining vacant. So we have we are informed that within very short of time the cabinet board will be fill up. Therefore we have asked him that since in the pre-election we have discussed that minimum 3 ministers should be provided to the IPFT party. Therefore we have mentioned that one cabinet board is supposed to give to the IPFT party. Therefore we request him that more one cabinet board should be given to IPFT party. That also we have discussed with him. So it is very need to say that since he is a very fresh and new president, so he informed us that I also quite new of this subject. Therefore I look into it and I'll go through your memorandum thoroughly. And he's actually, we really appreciate him. We have given him a lot of time, and I believe his leadership is very dynamic and he's a simple man. And he verbally he informed us that I am also belong to hill people. हम भी पहाड़ी आदमी है. So therefore that way he approaches us. Don't worry, your problem, your grievances will be looked into it. Since I also belong to Pahari, he said. He came from Himachal Pradesh. I live in a hill area. So the sentiment of the hill people, I understand. That way he has frankly he speak to us. So really, I believe that in his leadership, something will happen for our cause, for our Tripura movement, Tripura Land movement. So he assured us that again you come back to Delhi, we'll discuss thoroughly. I want to know detail about your problem, about your cause. That way he have given us assurance. So I really appreciate his leadership and his very humble man. And I think time to time we require to meet him and to highlight our issue. Thank you.